recording it?
Yes. A dog playing with a cat toy. I'm telling you, he's not a dog, Mom.
That's what we need to do, put all his toys on a string. He's like, what in the hell are you doing? Making sure he's not a cat.
I don't know, he might be a cat. Hi, Tink. Oh, Tink. Stop! Get on my face.
Don't pull so hard. Don't pull so hard. Okay, you stop it.
No, it's funny. Like, pull it more towards you. Hey, sweetheart. There we go.
Wait, I'm trying to wrap it up. Are you still recording this?
Yeah.
Wait, let go.
Get it, Vader.
You make my stomach hurt. You goofy ass poodle.
Oh, he's doing it from the string now. Look at you getting smart. Not quite there, Vader. It's a cat toy dog. Ah! Get out of the shot, Tink.
Oh.
Damn it! He's gonna pull it again. Oh, here comes Misty.
Missy's like, hey, that's mine.
Ah! Come on,
Do
kitty.
you want it? Do you want it? Oh no, not fatness. Not fatness.
Oh my gosh. Really? She's like, well, he's doing it. Must be fine. Tink, drop it.
You're gonna tear it up. Okay, drop it. Drop it.
Tinky.